welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys in a day in my life with me. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm getting ready right now to go on a motorcycle ride with Josiah. We're gonna go to Sunnyside Beach. He's gonna get some drone clips, and while he's doing that, I'm just gonna read and record because it's really nice today, and it's like the sunniest weekend we've had this whole year, the last couple months, if you would say, since winter. I'm getting my layers on. I have a long sleeve under, then I have this, and then I'll have my motorcycle jacket on under, and we're gonna go have some fun. See you there. Made it to the beach. It's so pretty. Look at the beach. Look at it. Oh, helicopter! Look at that island over there. I think that's Vashon over there. So I'm gonna read now, and Josiah's gonna fly his drone. Get some pretty clips today. Yay! Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I got scared. I was like, no. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I was like, I knew it. That's funny. I fucking knew it. It was predictable. All right, we just got back from the motorcycle ride. We're taking Bailey out for a walk, and then we're gonna go to my parents' house just to hang out for a little bit with my family. and then just have a chill night. See you later.
Tingled on my toe.
Alright guys, we just left my parents' house. We just got food and we're on the way back home. We're gonna go chill and watch a movie and go to bed. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and remember to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. And remember, Jesus